You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is the name of a saint, of course, and it's also associated with YSL, the fashion brand company. It's also the name of a river, I believe, isn't it, in North America? That's at least the French name of the river, named Saint Laurent. In English, in Canada, Ontario, Saint Laurent. Saint, yes, the T is silent in French. Saint Laurent in English, Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent in French, Saint Laurent. So you could say it as Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.